been constantly failing before I tried this legitimately safe strategy. It helped me make my first big money, quit the stupid job, dedicate myself to trading, and live my literal dream life.
Hey everyone, this video is dedicated to an explanation of one cool binary option trading strategy. As many of you may know, there is no one particular strategy I blindly follow every single time. I use a bunch of them depending on what kind I think would work at a certain moment in a certain case according to the market state and behavior. All of them get me a nice income to a certain extent, so today we're going to clear up one of those strategies based on the moving average indicator. It's a normal moving middle line. In this video we're going to add the indicator and try to make a couple of thousands of dollars or more perhaps with this lovely strategy. So if you watch this video until the end, you will comprehend my thought process, the way I enter the market, and be able to apply the freshly gained knowledge and practice. So let's watch a short video about the indicator and we're going to be working today with and set it up. So my dear friends, let's prep the indicator now. Today we're going to want to add two moving average lines in the top left corner in the indicators menu. We're clicking moving average twice and setting them up. The first indicator's period will be 12. We're entering it right here. Let's make it white and a bit bolder, around 2 pixels. The period of the second indicator will be 25 for today. I'm making it very bold, 4 pixels. For instance, changing the color to red or any other contrast to the previous one. Now we've got two moving average middle lines. As you're probably aware, their intersections make up nice signals. However, in this video, not only we're going to use the intersections as our entry points, but also candle patterns. This indicator will show us the chart upward and downward motion phases. Just to make it clear, any intersection as so-called confirmation of a trend, an uptrend in this case, right here for instance, and a downtrend in this one, for instance, gets followed by an active trend phase. That's exactly the period candle patterns work out amazingly within, especially such patterns as doji candles, hammer, gravestone, you name it. Those are candles with such tiny bodies and large shadows, so we're going to be looking for this kind of a candle with an uptrend while expecting this type with an upward shadow within a downtrend. They hint on a great entry point on the market. Enough with theory already, let's finally get to the practicing part. I hope everything's going to be comprehensive and clear. So guys, the first potentially profitable case, unfortunately we missed it, but let's try and enter with $500 now. The candle is done forming and look, the case is literally identical to the one I was describing. The uptrend got confirmed. This intersection of the two moving average lines displays a new uptrend on the market. And here's this candle with a tiny body and a long shadow mainly directed downwards. This indicates a powerful buyer's presence. The whole situation is followed by this large green candle. So if we had placed an upward trade right away, we would have most likely got our expected profit. However, we have just now discovered the signals a bit too late, so we were to enter one more time, but already after this large green candle right here. Overall, the deal seems to be closing successfully and we are almost free to look for the next trading case. Let's see how it goes. The first profit is here, let's carry on. So now we're drawing attention to the second case for today. It's a little bit different. After all, in this video, we're going to be using multiple candle patterns that indicate a steady growth continuance or any kind of a trend motion actually. At the moment, we're witnessing an uptrend. Here's the last upward intersection. If we zoom in, we'll see a pattern called bullish engulfing. Another perk of the situation is that the pattern appeared next to the trend line, the red one in particular, with a period of 25. So overall, it's a great signal for the upward motion to keep going strong. This pattern consists of a falling red candle and a rising green one that covers the entire ladder fall with its confident growth. That's exactly why the pattern is called engulfing. The green candle kinda engulfs the red one in this occurrence. I hope it's clear so far. Let's see what we've got next. Here's the opposite case. We're placing a downward trade. Absolutely typical case, very similar to the first one, but vice versa. There's a downtrend. Here's where the last intersection occurred, as we can see, and at this place, the candle we're paying attention to is forming. It's a dodgy candle, again, a hammer, a gravestone, whatever you're willing to call it. The shadow of this particular candle is directed upwards, and it's pretty big to say the least. Ideally, the body could have been even smaller, but its current size is enough too. Although, as we can see, the market is heading towards the opposite direction at the moment, we might want to expect the price to touch the faster moving average line, show some kind of a reaction from that point, or even aim for the slower moving average line. Let's not rush yet and see how it goes. Yeah, I'm not gonna cover this deal. Let's find the next trade in case a more reliable one. I doubt we're getting the pattern we counted on anytime soon here. If we do, however, we'll get back to this currency pair. I'll add it to bookmarks in order to have a quick access to its overview. But now let's find a similar trading pattern within another currency pair. I'm sure it's gonna work out this time. So we're carefully watching this candle form. If it stays as stable, if the candle keeps its body this small, leaving the shadow this large, then combined with the reaction of this moving average line, we'll consider the whole situation to be a nice downward signal. The deal's amount is $1,000 this time, as well as the first 500 on the last deal. So we gotta cover the loss essentially. In order to not place multiple trades at a time, we're making one deal with a doubled value. So the current trend is downwards. The pattern I was talking about formed in handy. We've got a very good long upward shadow from the candle, so let's just wait for the results. Today we trade short term. The deal's expiration time is 1 minute. The time frame of the candle is there for 1 minute just as well. Yeah, the market is indeed not as they speak volatile state on this currency pair at least, so we're lucky the deal closed in profit with this really tiny red candle right here, which is exactly what got us this lucky profit and covered our previous loss. This case's outcome was far from confident, obviously, but the market conveniently keeps its downward motion. Let's see what we've got next. So guys, let's enter once again. The case is very similar, although we're dealing with this smaller candle here. It has a tiny little body and a large upward shadow compared to the body size. Here's our fabulous candle. In the perfect world, we should have placed the downward trade right away afterwards had we noticed the signal earlier, but we entered as far as it was possible. The last intersection confirmed the downtrend ever since by the book according to our strategy. Let's just wait for the result. So this deal turns out real great and confident. The next candle is red, so we keep on going. So we're placing another trade upwards, and we've got the famous engulfing pattern this time. There's an uptrend on the market. A little retracement represented by this red candle right here occurred, which immediately got followed by this green candle that kind of engulfed the entire ladder fall. The pattern is engulfing. It occurred within an uptrend. It is therefore an upward trend, so we've placed a deal for this growth continuance. One of the huge advantages of this strategy is you are never obligated to trade against the trend, and that is what's really important if you're a beginner, as trading against the trend is in and of itself more risky. Of course, no 90% win rate is guaranteed with a strategy, but you don't even need it in the first place. Successful and stable long-term income requires a win rate over 55 to 60%, which I'm sure you will achieve like it's no big deal. So unfortunately, as I'm seeing right now, the first deal within this asset hasn't managed to get us the result we were hoping for. Now it's important for the market to resume its upward motion, refraining from a sideways trend. We only need a tiny reaction from the moving average lines, and we're gonna be all right. We're really lucky today. We've earned $870 of net profit, and since we originally lost $500, our clear net profit adds up to $370. Here's the pattern where we're talking about a so-called hammer. It's a candle with a tiny body and a large downward shadow. So I'm going ahead and placing another trade. The price might moreover bounce or get some kind of a reaction from this white moving average line. The trend is upwards, the deal is upwards as well. Let's wait for the results and observe the process. So guys, the deal has closed incredibly confident. We've got $435 of net profit, and look at this beautiful green candle right here. It provided the income opportunity to us. So today we earned $2,000 in total, seamlessly putting literally 10 minutes of our precious time into the action. If you want to achieve these same results, you can feel free to repeat my deals after me. I post all of my free signals on my Telegram channel. The link is in the pinned comment below this video. I wish everyone a lucky trading time. See ya!